Hello all my friend, welcome back to my channel again. Wow, a lot of toys superhero Avenger and DC comic. Okay, let's review one by one. Wait, this is action figure Carnage. Wow, Carnage, Red Venom. Wow. Very nice. Okay, and this is Iron Spider-Man. Wow.
What the? Want some of this? Here comes Spidey. Gotcha.
Oh. Wes. Whoa. Batman. Wow, from DC comic. Wow. Batman versus Harley Quinn. Wow. Oh, very cool. Okay, wow. This is
Falcon.
Whiz. Wow, very cool. Okay, and this is wow, action figure The Flash. Where's the Flash? Nice. Ooh. Wow, this is Captain America mask and Halloween mask. Wow. Whoa, Captain America versus Black Panther. Wow, very cool. Whiz. This is AK-47 gun. Wow. Whoa. Nerf stripe. Wow, they are Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, and Hulk. And now I will shoot with Nerf stripe. Okay. Whiz. Iron Man. Wow. Thor. Whiz. And Hulk. Wow. Iron Man very strong. Wow. Very cool, amazing Nerf stripe. Okay. Oh, this is action figure Superman from DC comic. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Wow. Doctor Strange. Magic Man. Doctor Strange. Wow. very cool. Doctor Strange. Wow. Doctor Doom. Magic Man. Wah. Very nice. With Red Hulk. Wow. Red Hulk. Whoa, very cool. Nice. Yes, Spider-Man. Whoa. Wow, Spider-Man.
Whoops. I guess I gotta adjust my new web shooters. Inventing these wasn't easy. Lots of problem solving involved.
Wes. Wow, nice. And this is action figure Scarlet Spider. Wow. Wes. Scarlet Spider. Wow. Wow. Very cool. Wow. This is action figure Thanos. Whoa. Thanos. Wow. Whoa, Miles Morales. Wehehehe. Wes. This is action figure. Wow. X-Men Wolverine. Wow, Wolverine. Wow, Spider-Man cartoon. Wow. Very cool Spider-Man cartoon. Okay, next, and this is action figure Iron Man. Whoa. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.